Hello friends, my name is Sujit Sarad and welcome to my channel. So today is 21st of Jan 2018 and today I'll be going for a short ride of 50 kilometers to a place called Darjeeling. So ये तो ऑफिस की पिकनिक है, वैसे तो बस अरेंजमेंट था, but the reason why I chose to go by bike is because I want to test myself as well as the bike how it performs. So it will help me to prepare for the long rides which I'll be doing in the coming months. Now the time is 11:45 in the morning and I'm already running late. My colleagues have already reached the place and what I was told is that the road leading to that place is not that good. So let's go.
So according to Google, I should be reaching my destination in the next 20 minutes. And even though the road appears to be smooth, but there are plenty of rough patches here and there, and you literally have to dodge them. तो ये रफ पैचेस और पॉट होल समझ में नहीं आते, ये परछाई की वजह से, जो पेड़ों की परछाई गिर रही है रोड पे उसकी वजह से, तो उसकी वजह से मुझे और स्लो चलाना पड़ रहा है. So like I said, this is an office picnic which is organized once every year, and this is a time when everyone from the department, entire staff, be it senior, junior, executives, non-executives, they all sit together, they eat together, they dance and have a good time. तो काफ़ी एक कैजुअल सा, इनफॉर्मल सा एनवायरनमेंट होता है जो ऑफिस में यूजुअली देखने नहीं मिलता है. So this is a day when everyone enjoy in their own way, which I feel is a good thing. कि हम अपनी जो रोज़मर्रा के रूटीन से थोड़ा हटके ब्रेक लेते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, तो इससे इवन जो हमारा स्टाफ है इनके बीच में आपस में बॉन्डिंग भी बढ़ता है. तो क्योंकि ये मेरे प्रोफेशनल लाइफ से रिलेटेड है एंड ब्लॉगिंग करना इज़ पार्ट ऑफ माई पर्सनल लाइफ, तो मैं वहाँ पे ब्लॉग नहीं करने वाला हूँ बिकॉज आई वांट टू मेंटेन दैट लाइन बिटवीन प्रोफेशनल लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लाइफ. बट हाँ, इनकेस मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ मुझे आपसे शेयर करना चाहिए तो मैं वो ज़रूर इस वीडियो में आपसे शेयर करूँगा.
Hello friends, I have reached Darjeeling and I must say it's an amazing place. It's a very beautiful place. It is basically on the banks of river Brahmani. So people come over here on weekends to have fun, to enjoy with family and have a picnic over here. So even though the lake is dried up, but still the view is amazing. Let me show you. So I don't know if you can see, but this is the river Brahmani. Let me show you from this way. 5 o'clock right now and sun is about to set and it should be dark in the next half an hour. So I think I should leave for Rourkela because then it will be dark and I don't want to do night driving because the roads were also not that great. So I want to avoid night driving for now. So I'll be leaving in next 10 or 15 minutes. So guys, I finally reached home. It's 6. So the ride was short. It was a 40-kilometer ride. So it took me around say 45 minutes to reach. And the roads were, as they said, it was bad. Not that bad, but they were bad. And the reason I said I didn't wanted to do a night ride is also because the stock headlights that come with the bike is not that great, and in case when you're driving in remote areas where there are no street lights, in that case it becomes even difficult to see. And so I'm thinking of installing some new LED lights before going for a long ride, and I'll definitely have to do this because with this stock lights I don't think so I'll be able to do night riding. So with this I'll have to end my vlog here, and I know ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं vlog में और काफ़ी छोटी राइड भी थी, बट ये मेरी प्रैक्टिस सेशन चल रही है जो आने वाले लॉन्ग राइड्स है उसके लिए. सो दिस बीइंग माय सेकंड vlog, आई होप देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट विच आई हैव टू डू. तो आप प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट्स में बताइएगा कि मुझे क्या करना चाहिए और क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. सो अगर आपको ये ब्लॉग पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, एंड ऑल्सो शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. इट विल हेल्प गेटिंग मी मोर व्यूज़ एंड मोर सब्सक्राइबर्स. सो विद दैट आई विल टेक योर लीव. गुड नाइट, टेक केयर.
Aku